Today we're exploring an essential yet often overlooked aspect of our daily routines: shower hygiene. Are you making these 5 common mistakes in the shower? Let's find out, see how to fix them, and why. Mistake 1. Using water that's too hot. While a steaming hot shower might feel relaxing, it can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and even eczema. Stick to lukewarm water to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Mistake 2. Using the same soap for your face and body. The skin on your face is more delicate and sensitive than the rest of your body, and body soaps can be too harsh, leading to irritation and breakouts. Try using a gentle cleanser specifically designed for your face. Mistake 3. Skipping exfoliation or over-exfoliating. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and promoting healthy skin renewal. But here's where many go wrong: either skipping exfoliation entirely or overdoing it. Over-exfoliating can cause redness and irritation, while skipping it can lead to clogged pores and dull skin. Aim to exfoliate 1 to 3 times a week depending on your skin type. Mistake 4. Not cleaning or replacing your shower tools. Washcloths, loofahs and sponges can harbour bacteria and mould if not cleaned and replaced often. Make sure to rinse them thoroughly after each use, and replace them every few weeks to avoid spreading germs on your skin. Mistake 5. Using bare hands instead of a washcloth or loofah. While it might seem convenient, using your hands alone doesn't effectively remove dirt, sweat and oil from your skin. A washcloth or loofah provides gentle exfoliation, helping to cleanse your skin more thoroughly. This simple switch can significantly improve your shower hygiene. By avoiding these common shower hygiene mistakes, you can enjoy healthier, more radiant skin. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your daily routine. Are you guilty of any of these shower habits? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insightful videos. Here's to better hygiene and a healthier you. See you next time.